behind us just says 1,000 words. This place is absolutely amazing. Manganui on the far north island of New Zealand. We've come up, it's about 4 hours drive north of Auckland, to see Cape Reinga, which is the most furthest northern point of New Zealand, and we're staying here for 2 days, and I think we can just about say paradise found.
So paradise at best.
It's a very quaint little village.
Yes.
There's a couple of restaurants and boutique shops and art galleries and a wharf and a local fish
Factory.
a little fish factory and a fish shop.
Yes.
And a fish and chip, famous fish and chips.
Yes.
And a little
as a
natural
paradise.
harbour in the back here. And as you can see, and it's really beautiful. It's
Lovely.
definitely a definite visit. Stunning.
Ciao, ciao.
Anyway guys, we've reached the most northern point of New Zealand on the North Island, Cape Reinga, and what a beautiful place, a scenic, breathtaking place to come and visit.
Lovely.
Beautiful cliffs, beautiful beaches.
The weather is beautiful.
The views are awesome, out of this world.
Yeah.
Something really to come see.
Yeah.
Was on our bucket list and we've done it, ticked it. Now the next challenge is to travel to the most southern tip of New Zealand on the South Island.
And we'll be in the north, we will in the north, and then we will be at South Point. And lovely. Come visit.